Welcome to today's Max class. In this episode, we are going to learn fractions and its types, conversion of fractions, comparing fractions, and addition of fractions. Make a note on it. Fraction. It is in the form of a by b, where a is called the numerator and b is called the denominator. The only condition for a fraction is a and b can be a whole number, but b should not be 0. See this example 1 by 8. Here 1 is a numerator and 8 is a denominator. It's satisfying all the conditions, so 1 by 8 is a fraction. Next, types of fraction. Here is the first one, proper fraction. When comparing the denominator, numerator should be smaller. See this example 3 by 5. Here the numerator 3 is smaller than the denominator 5. So 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. Next, improper fraction. When comparing the denominator, numerator should be greater. I tell you with an example 9 by 5. Here numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Next, like fractions. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Observe this example 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. All the denominators are same. So these three fractions are like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are fractions with different denominators. See here 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Here all the denominators are different. So we are saying these fractions are unlike fractions. Then unit fraction. A fraction having numerator as 1 is called a unit fraction. I will tell you with an example 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 7 and 1 by 16. Here whatever may be the denominator, all the numerators are 1. So these are unit fractions. Then mixed fraction. The combination of a whole number part and a proper fraction part is called a mixed fraction. See this example, 8 1 by 2. Here 8 is a whole number, 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So 8 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Conversion of fractions. Here we are going to learn how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. See this example, 2 3 by 4. First, we are going to multiply the denominator with the whole number part and then add with the numerator and keeping the denominator same. That is, you should not change the denominator. So, first you multiply 4 into 2 and then add with 3 divided by 4. This is equal to 4 into 2 becomes 8 added with 3 divided by 4. This is equal to 11 by 4. Therefore, the mixed fraction 2 3 by 4 can be written as an improper fraction 11 by 4. Next, conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Example, 7 by 3. It is an improper fraction. We are going to convert it as mixed. For that, first we have to divide 7 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Then the remaining is 1. Here 2 is a quotient, 1 is a remainder and 3 is a divisor. Mixed fraction can be written in the form of QR by D, that is quotient remainder by divisor. So, the improper fraction 7 by 3 can be written as 2 1 by 3. Next, comparing fractions. We have to use 3 symbols to compare 2 or more fractions. They are greater than sign, less than sign and equal to sign. Now, we are going to learn rules for comparing fraction. Here is the first rule. When the fractions having same numerator, then the smaller denominator is the greatest fraction. See here, the numerators are same. So we can compare the denominators, that is 4 and 6. Here 4 is the smaller one. So 3 by 4 is the greatest fraction. And the second rule, when the fractions having same denominators, then the largest numerator is the greatest fraction. See here, the denominators are same. So we have to compare the numerators. Here 4 is greater. So 4 by 5 is the greatest fraction. And the last rule, if both the numerators and the denominators are different, then we can use the cross multiplication method to compare fractions. I will tell you with an example, 4 by 7 and 3 by 5. See here, both the numerators and the denominators are different. So, use cross multiplication to compare these fractions. First, we have to multiply 5 and 4. That is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Then 7 into 3 becomes 21. Now we can compare 20 and 21. 21 is greater. So 3 by 5 is greater. Next example, compare 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. Use cross multiplication. First, 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Next, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now compare 14 and 12. 14 is greater, so 2 by 3 is the greatest fraction. One more example. Compare 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. First we have to multiply 5 and 4. It becomes 20. Then 10 and 2. It becomes 20. See here, both are same. So these two fractions are equal. Therefore, 4 by 10 is equal to 2 by 5. Now, addition of fractions. First, we are going to see how to add like fractions. Here is the formula. Sum of like fractions is equal to sum of all numerators divided by the common denominator. See this example, 4 by 7 plus 13 by 7. Both are like fractions, so we have to keep the denominator as it is and then add the numerators separately. So this is equal to 4 plus 13 divided by 7. 4 plus 13 becomes 17. So this is equal to 17 by 7. Next, evaluate 3 by 7 plus 11 by 7 plus 15 by 7. See, these three fractions are like fractions. So we have to add the numerators directly and keep the denominator same. So 3 by 7 plus 11 by 7 plus 15 by 7 is equal to 3 plus 11 plus 15 divided by 7. Now 3 plus 11 plus 15 becomes 29. So this is equal to 29 divided by 7. It is an improper fraction, so it can be written as mixed. Therefore, 29 by 7 can be written as 4 1 by 7. Next example, add 1 by 3 with 3 by 4. See here, these two fractions are unlike fractions. We are going to learn how to add two unlike fractions. For this, first we have to find LCM of the denominators. First we have to find LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are 3 and 4. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Next we are going to convert both fractions into an equivalent fraction with LCM as the denominators. First, 1 by 3. We can convert the denominator into 12. For that, we can multiply both numerator and the denominator by 4. That is equal to 1 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. This is equal to 4 by 12. Likewise, for 3 by 4. Here we can multiply with 3 by 3. It becomes 9 by 12. And last step, we can add these two like fractions. That is 4 by 12 added with 9 by 12. This is equal to 4 plus 9 by 12. 4 plus 9 is 13. So the answer is 13 by 12. Therefore, 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 13 by 12. The next problem, evaluate 1 by 15 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 7. The first step, we have to take LCM for the denominators. The LCM of 15, 3 and 7 is 105. Now we can convert each fraction having the denominator as 105. First, 1 by 15. For this, we can multiply and divide it by 7. We get 7 by 105. The next fraction, 1 by 3. For this, we are going to multiply and divide with 35. We get 35 by 105. At last, 4 by 7. For this, we can multiply and divide with 15. We get 60 divided by 105. Finally, we can add these three like fractions, that is 7 by 105 plus 35 divided by 105 plus 60 divided by 105. That is equal to 7 plus 35 plus 60 divided by 105. 7 plus 35 is 42, then added with 60 is equal to 102 divided by 105. Therefore, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 102 divided by 105. And the last problem, evaluate 3 1 by 5 plus 2 1 by 3. These two fractions are mixed fractions. So first we can convert it into an improper fraction and then find addition. 3 1 by 5. Convert 3 1 by 5 into an improper fraction. For that we have to multiply 5 into 3 and then add it with 1 whole divided by 5. 3 into 5 becomes 15. 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 5. The next 2 1 by 3. For this we have to multiply 3 and 2 and then add with 1 divided by 3. This is equal to 7 by 3. Now we are going to add 16 by 5 and 7 by 3. See here, both the denominators are different. So we have to take LCM of these denominators. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Next we are going to convert both the denominators as 15. First we take 16 by 5. For this we are going to multiply and divide with 3. We'll get 48 divided by 15. Next 7 by 3. For this fraction we are going to multiply and divide with 5. So it becomes 35 divided by 15. See, 48 by 15 and 35 by 15 are like fractions. So you can add easily. Therefore, 3 1 by 5 plus 2 1 by 3 is equal to 16 by 5 plus 7 by 3. Instead of 16 by 5, we can write 48 by 15 and 7 by 3 as 35 by 15. Now we can add these two like fractions. This is equal to 48 plus 35 divided by 15. That is 83 divided by 15. See here, 83 by 15 is an improper fraction. So we can convert it as mixed. That is equal to 5 8 by 15. Therefore, 3 1 by 5 plus 2 1 by 3 is equal to 5 8 by 15. So far we have discussed fractions and its types and conversion of fractions and comparing fractions and few problems based on addition of fractions. Write all these problems in your bridge course booklet. Practice again and again for your better understanding. Thank you.